How to use ChatGPT to learn English. As you guys know, ChatGPT is capable of teaching you anything at the moment. And if you're doing poor in your English subject, you can use ChatGPT to learn English, and it's quite very easy. So just follow these steps. I will show you guys in this video. The first thing that you will do is you will write in the title of this video as it is how to use ChatGPT to learn English. And here, ChatGPT would provide you tons of options. For example, if you're struggling with vocabulary or grammar or speaking, writing and reading, you can ask ChatGPT to teach you anything related to this. And here, if for example, if you want to learn, let's say, vocabulary, ChatGPT will provide you complete prompts that you can use to learn that. For example, teach me 10 common English words and their meanings with example sentences. Just like that, when you paste this right here, it will give you all these options that you need to start learning with ChatGPT. Similarly, if you want to proceed to intermediate level, and even if you want to learn speaking English via role play or pronunciation, it can also do that. Now, ChatGPT has every detail that you need in order to learn English. You just need to give it proper prompt. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video.